Namaste, Hariom. I'm Acharya Pratishtha and I welcome you all at Bharat Yoga English. We are learning 11 essential, most important and easy Bharat Yoga Gatis which we can add in our day-to-day life, especially on the occasion of International Day of Yoga 2024. You have already learned 4 Gatis and today we are learning the 5th one. And this Gati is going to bless you with the joy and bliss of being a child. So what we are going to do today, I'm sure you all must have done it when you were a child, or maybe when you had your own child, or when you had your grandchildren. But other than that, we have never ever done it. So the name of this Gati is Shishu Gati. So Shishu means a small child and we are going to become like a small child while doing it. Now talking about the benefits, there are immense benefits of this Gati. Especially if you have any problem related to your spine, this is going to help you. If you have any problem related to your respiration, this is amazingly going to help you. If you have your blood circulation never goes upward and your face is dull and your hair are falling or you are suffering from gray hair before age, this is going to help you. It is also going to give you good vision, and not just that, it is also helpful in keeping your heart healthy and also bless you with more amount of oxygen intake in your body. And then we put pressure on our palms, which means all of the acupressure points are pressed. So it is not an exaggeration to say that this is a Gati that helps you in each and every problem, each and every ailment. More than that, it is also a wonderful practice to bless you with good mental health. So if you're suffering from anxiety, tension, stress, or maybe depression, this is a wonderful Gati for you. But there is a precaution for this Gati. So it is not a Nirapad Gati, which everybody can do. What is the precaution? Precaution is those who are suffering from knee pain, they need to avoid this Gati. So if you are suffering from knee pain, then you should really avoid it, or maybe do it till that extent where you feel comfortable. Don't overdo it. Okay, so I won't say that, oh, you're just having a minor pain in your knee and you stop doing this. One mistake which generally people do, because I have so many students, millions of people join Bharat Yoga classes online or offline. So what I have observed that, okay, Guru Ma, I'm having knee pain. So because I have knee pain, I'm not going to sit on the floor. So I asked them, do you find it tough to sit on the floor? No, we don't find it tough to sit on the floor. We find it tough to sit on the floor for a longer time, but we have stopped sitting on the floor. Now that is wrong. Don't bring your body to that comfort zone where, problems become more critical. So if you can sit on the floor, okay, fine, you can't sit for a longer time. Do sit on the floor even for a shorter time. But bring your body out of the comfort zone. That's very, very important. Okay, so if your knees are like, you have knee pain, but still you can do it easily without hurting your knees, do it only till that point. Don't overdo it, but you must do it. So let's learn how to practice Shishu Gati. So to practice Shishu Gati, we come on our knees just like a small child, because the name itself says Shishu Gati. We will be becoming like a child. So this is the position. Shishu, child, looks like this, okay? And child walks like that. So it is a crawling position basically. So I'll go a little back so that you can see the whole movement. And the beautiful name given to it is Kilkari Marna, which means you have to laugh like a child while doing it. So you need to leave the attachment you have made with your mat throughout these days of practice. You can leave the mat, you can go around and you can cover a bigger space. I will be showing you here because camera is here and I can't go out of camera, otherwise you won't be able to see me. So this way. This way you have to walk or crawl and then come back in Vajrasan and just relax. The relaxation is very important. Relax your knees, relax your hands. You can also relax with your legs spread ahead, forward, and keep your hands back. Relax your legs and relax your neck. stay here for some time, and then you can repeat it. So just after this gati, just look at your face in a mirror, or maybe if you're practicing it with someone at home, just look at each other's face. Your face will become pink, beautiful, glowing, and that's the magic of Shishu Gati. So if you want to stay healthy, you want to have super brain, you want to get rid of all your mind related problems and your physical problems, practice it every day, but just remember the precaution that I told you. Lots of love, light and blessings. I will be seeing you tomorrow at 7 p.m. Hari Om.